Thailand. We are very proud to be one of the few Malaysian companies displaying at these exhibitions. Just some of the highlights, we'd like to share with you guys is our first launch of Chembio range of product. Very much receiving positive response from all our visitors. And not to forget our Reszon range of product. Besides COVID, flu A/B, COVID also received a lot of interest, drug abuse. Probably later my colleague will share more about the Chembio HIV range of rapid testing kit. See you then.
Today we are introducing to you the HIV stat pack, which can detect for the HIV 1 and 2, and is actually obtained the WHO pre-qualifications and FDA approved. This is a Chembio sure check also for detection for HIV 1 and 2, and this is for self-testing. You can see over here, this is the unique barrel design. It's only taking up like sample size 2.5 microliter. Not to forget, this is our Chembio unique design, unique technology, dual path platform technology (DPP), which can detect the two disease, which is HIV syphilis in one sample, and also it can be read by the micro reader over here to reduce the human error in visual interpretation.
Hi, I believe you have a glance on the COVID test kit that we manufacture in Malaysia during the COVID peak time. Now I would like to introduce also to you the lymphatic filariasis rapid test kit. This test kit has been well recognized by WHO, and we have collaborated with WHO in some of the intervention program for the disease control program. And not forgetting, we want to introduce you also the typhoid rapid test kit. This test kit we have IgM rapid test and also the IgG-IgM combo to detect the antibody of the typhoid fever. Not forgetting also the drug abuse test. You see this drug abuse is very colorful, meaning that we can customize for you for this drug test, and we welcome every inquiries from you, so that you can write to us also to info@resonic.com.